Hello, my name is Haley Engel. I am recording a video for the Anatomy and Physiology Module 3 assignment for the lab portion. This assignment is in regards to long bones, and the purpose of this assignment is to visualize 6 long bones and identify the ones that I have selected. So the first long bone I have selected is the humerus. The next one is the radius, which lies medial to the ulna, and the ulna lies medial to the radius. So that's 3 of 6. The next long bone that I've identified is the femur. The tibia is next, and then the last bone that I have selected is the clavicle. Long bones, by definition, are bones that are longer than they are wide. So even bones in the fingers can be considered long bones because they meet the definition by criteria.